We'll guide you through how to color Excel cells based on value. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Excel on your desktop to begin the process. Once the program is open, choose a cell where you want to start entering your data. Type a number you want into the selected cell. After entering the first number, repeat this step for one column by typing several more numbers into the cells below it. Continue until you have completed the column with several values you want to use. Next, drag your mouse to the top cell of the column where your data begins. Click and drag your cursor down to the end of the column so all the cells containing your numbers become selected. After that, go to the Tab section at the top of the Excel window. Make sure you are in the Home section because the formatting tools are located there. Then, look for the Conditional Formatting option in the toolbar. Drag your mouse to the Conditional Formatting option and click on it to open the menu. Once the menu appears, locate and choose the Highlight Cells Rules option to see more formatting choices. From here, you can choose many options such as greater than, less than, between, equal to, and several other conditions depending on what you need. For this example, you will use the greater than option. Click on greater than to open the settings box. Inside the box, set the number you want Excel to compare your selected cells against. After entering the number, choose the formatting style you prefer so the highlighted cells are easy to notice. Once everything is ready, press OK to apply the conditional formatting to your selected cells. Excel will automatically highlight any numbers that are greater than the value you entered. This makes it easier to identify important data quickly without checking each cell manually. Before finishing, review your spreadsheet to make sure the formatting works correctly and highlights the right cells. If needed, you can repeat the same process using different rules such as less than or between to organize your data more effectively. Practicing these steps regularly will help you become more confident when using Excel tools for managing and analyzing information in a simple and efficient way every day.